Alright guys, I'm gonna start out the vlog with a big kiss deed. Cause my cousin talk about she forget her coconut water. Remember the coconut water, you know? A water with them building in the lab. Them coconut water them building in the lab. Which coconut water you talk about?
That's not true.
Eh?
When you read the ingredients on the box,
yeah.
It says coconut water. There's nothing else added in there.
You know that remind me of?
No nothing. Coconut water.
That remind me of when people sell cheese and then say 100% cheese, but the American laws or something like it can be 70% cheese and classified as 100% cheese.
I don't know anything about American law. The box says pure coconut water.
We know a real coconut water, the one that wash off your heart. Anyway guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Got my cousin in the back. I don't know how she's sitting like that, but she's on social media, typical and stuff. Look in the camera, girl. You're not even looking in the camera. We just seen the top of your head. What's up?
Nothing much.
Alright guys, so if I can actually talk for the general Jamaican public, I think I'm gonna speak for a majority of them. We all know when we come to America, America is very boring. I tell people that all the time. America is super boring.
Oh yeah.
My favorite, do you object?
No, because my friend tell us that we're boring.
You're calling out yourself. I threw a stone and a pig ball out. No, seriously, I tell them all the time.
That's what you said.
No, seriously, I tell them all the time. Like, for me personally, every time I've been to America, it's boring, especially when you spend one day in the house. Why? Because the expectations for the typical Jamaica is when you come afar and you go Six Flags, you go to the mall every day, and all of that. Like, ever since I've been traveling as a kid, if I'm in the house for one day or even an hour, it's boring. And it's no different than when I'm at home. Because when I'm at home, I don't go out. It's not like, well, I do travel, but it's not like I go out every single day. So that feeling of boredom is even intensified being here, you know? But anyway, she finally carried me for go to somewhere. Oh gosh. She
so, take my shame. Listen, it's work, and more work. It's work and home, So as I said, people talk about foreign, it's work and home, work. And you have to make it what it is. You're lucky some I carry you go somewhere.
Anyway, because she like the channel now because she used to stock a place. She stock a fair yard. Anyway, we are carrying somewhere. So we're going to this canoeing thing that my cousin suggested. I think I've gone canoeing a couple of times, maybe like once or twice or whatever it is. But I'm looking forward to this experience, you know. You don't know. For me personally, I think it's going to be laid back, to be quite honest. It's just for scenery. That's not what normally canoeing is. Yeah, my main intention for coming here was not to come here and go to Six Flags or to go any crazy places. No, that wasn't my intention. It was to use Amazon for a second and then to order my iPhone. Unfortunately, I won't be getting my iPhone, which is pretty sucky because it's gonna be released. I think like it's gonna be shipping out like October the 7th, and I don't really intend to extend my stay. I have to go to that Negril experience that I told you guys about. So yeah, but anyway, we're heading to this boring place, this boring lady, and she called herself out, guys, and yeah, we're about to do this. Where are we now, in Princeton? Ooh, my future car's right there. Where you going with my car? One day. You know, say, I say I think to myself, look my dog on the sidewalk, and I said the dog is supposed to be well smart because the Princeton is coming from it. So here. But this is where we are, guys. We're in Princeton, pretty much. Where the famous Princeton University is. Book a girl from Princeton, so she has study business. This is how we call it, American chichi bus. Yeah, man. Which part my cousin carry me? Like I'm moving in car, wrong turn. But even know which part will it?
I go bush and left you.
No. But I find my way back on my yard, stay there. I said, I just wonder what kind of places my cousin carry me. You never see how the water dirty. Cheese and peas. I'm going to show you one of Miss Jamaica. I want to avocado. Because the water dirty. Good. I'm going to show you one. Watch that. I tell you, when you live in America too long, you change your standards, you know. Watch that. I'm not going to look at the water here. Well, there's no snake there. Really? Oh God, my body get cool a while ago. Look at the water. Dirt. There's a mud bath to come from a mud spring. Yeah, Nick. Like you come bird shooting, you can hide in the bush. But you're not going to find your head in this, you know? Camouflage out. Alright, so. See there? On the water. I'll show you something my side. Let me show you how America work. The place where we are going over there is a Zane. But we can't just walk across the road like a Jamaica, you know. We have to use the crosswalk. We have to walk about a mile. Come down here, so. So I walk a mile, yeah? Guys, my foot them tired. Tired. American people, we're disciplined. We are so disciplined today. I think in America they call it jaywalking, which is a crime. Press all the bad button. Low it up. Hear it. And a Spanish too. Oh wow. I'm just messing, guys. I know about this stuff. The only difference is I've never heard a crosswalk that actually was bilingual, so it's pretty dope. Oh gosh. So we finally got to the other side. Finally. So you have to use the bathroom if you go back across. Oh snap. I don't know if you guys know about this show back in the day from Disney called Camp Bug Juice. This feels exactly like Camp Bug Juice with all the camp canoes and stuff and having the lake and the kids going there. I'm telling you, that was one of my dreams, like as a kid, like going to Bug Juice, meeting a girl at Camp Bug Juice, holding hands, and now I'm here. Guys, I'm so happy. Like they offer dry boxes. Like that's really good.
So you don't have to.
I don't have to put my thing in a Ziploc bag. It's a good thing. So I can put my phone in there, put my camera, and film when I need to. And this is pretty much the map of where we're gonna be going. I think I'm gonna get lost. You guys know I'm not good with directions, so yep. Oh, so you picked me out one?
Yeah.
Great. So my cousin got the life jackets, keep ourselves safe. You feel me?
That's her special school project, so she's supposed to bring him around.
Oh my gosh, I gotta be admitting, guys, like I'm a little bit nervous. You know what I'm saying? Because you know you got water snakes and stuff like that, and I ain't about that at all. But you don't know. Just putting down my stuff real quick, and yeah, this is pretty much what Soai Vlogs is about. Seeing me just traveling, doing new stuff, new experiences. Because like for me personally, when I come to places like these, it gives me a good comparison of what other countries are like, and even for yourself as well. Maybe some of you want to do a business like this one day. You notice how the people operate. They actually give you a dry box. A lot of places in Jamaica do not cater for stuff like that, and we didn't have to pay for the dry box. It came with it. I mean, you got to be practical when you're doing business. Like almost everyone has a smartphone. You're working with water. It makes sense. All right, so Michelle has already cast it away. She's out there starting off her thing. How you feel? Oh my gosh, a bee's like over my head. Do you see it? Do you see it?
Yep.
Bro, I'm gone. I'm joking.
Alright, Steven, you can go next.
All right, so we got Amen over here who's about to help me out with this. All right. So my cousin and my aunts, well, both my cousins are gone, and I'm out here. Yo, it takes precision to do this thing, so I gotta put my camera back up so I can, you know, do this even better. I'm coming. All right, guys. So I pretty much have my camera out of the wet box because I'm just trusting in the idea that I won't capsize this thing. Because you guys know I want you guys to always be a part of my adventures and stuff. Anyway, it's going off track. I'm gone. Oh yeah, so cuz, how you feeling? All right. She's saying she warned about me. Look at that, how cute. But yeah, no. I mean, the water's a bit murky, but you know, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Yeah, I left my GoPro, guys, so you don't know. Couldn't get it to record it the way how I wanted to. Even though the GoPro wouldn't have gotten like as clear footage as this. But yeah, I'ma catch up now. So guys, my family, them not easy, you know, cause watch out. And me, them left with the map, you know. And then I know I said, me not good director, but even come from boy. Yeah. But you know, this water reminds me of this pond that was beside my prep school. Same way it smelled too. And I'm gonna be a supreme prep. That was in Montego Bay. Just give you guys a quick scenery of what's happening. There goes Yogi over there. Hey Yogi! I'm joking. So one thing about America with the nature, you gotta be careful because like there's so many stuff out there to eat you. In Jamaica, you don't know, we're good. You see me? We eat everything out there. You understand? It's pretty relaxing, but they're leaving me again, so I'm out. So we had a discussion just now. Cause remember the bees at the front? Yeah. We're talking about like, what would you rather, jump in the water or be stung by a bee out here? And I take a sting. Trust the man. Because if I'm jumping into the water, I'll never be the same again. Mommy tell you about it.
I would stand up and jump down. Yes.
From the bee?
Yes. These things hurt more than that blood work that lady couldn't find my name.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
Them don't know how I got you for catch a video for you vlogging, you know, so yeah, I almost catch up. I was trying to do a cinematic. Yeah, and I got close. I was gonna tell you to paddle faster. So when my boat is catching up to you, you'll be going by. You feel me? Let's do it again.
I used to.
Hey, we just saw some girls, probably from Princeton, running by on the trail. I remember they swear they fast. They swear them I go fast. So my cousins went under there and gone go dead. We're not follow them. We're not go on. We're not forward. I joke. Oh my gosh, can you hear the cars going over? Wow. So that's where we cleared just now. You could hear all the cars going by. But anyway, I'm gonna put up the camera here, so I might not show you guys any more of this because there's not much to really show, and plus it takes a lot of concentration. Like for now, see, I'm going over here to crash, but like I can't allow that. Oh no. All right, let me pause this. Just a quick FYI, guys, like with the paddle here, it's pretty simple to use. So for example, if you're going forward, turn it this way, and the opposite way that you turn the paddle, meaning if you do it like this, it's gonna take you to the right, to the left. So if you paddle on the right side, it's gonna go to the left. You feel me? But if you're going too fast and you wanna stop, bring it this way, and it gives you like control. Cause like, yeah, super important to know that if you guys plan to do canoeing in Jamaica. Cause I was watching Malika's vlog the other day, and she was on the paddle boat, the one with the wheels, and they didn't know how to turn it. And I was like, man, I don't know either. So at least I could probably taught one person here what to do. Anyway, I'm gone.
bell ringing out. Come right through.
They say you think flare.
Show me the ring.
You think flare.
Come right through. I used to. I used to.
I have to drop a cartel out there. I know my first man bust a cartel out there, so. No, if you have fact. Here too. Oh, you said first shot be the last.
But I was the last person in the book, but I was second.
That what a smooth landing, you know what I mean, Mish? Let them know. Alright guys, so we pretty much got back safe and sound, huh?
Did you have the mat or is it in your canoe?
It was in the canoe, yeah. We pretty much got back safe and sound. I must say this is one of my first, it's not really a designated bucket list, but it actually ended up to be one because I've never really been in a body of water in the US. So I don't plan to go into no other country's beach in general because I'm afraid of stuff in the water, to be quite honest. And this is one of the first bodies of water that I did. And it was pretty good, pretty relaxing. It's not like Jamaica where you see like a lot of scenery, like even like banana trees growing and stuff like that. But it gave me time to, like, you know, chat a little bit with my family and, you know, think about like what's my next steps with beekeeping and stuff. Maybe a Slim Jim. Is this your camera?
So do 3.
Oh, cool. This is a Nikon what?
Can you have $1.50?
Alright, cool.
What do you want, Mom?
Cool. So I was talking to the guy that operates the place just now about his cameras and stuff. So yeah.
Sometimes are this big.
Man, it's a small Slim Jim. I'll take it. Yeah, guys, I like Slim Jims, the little beef jerky kind of stuff. You feel me? But as I was saying, guys, whenever you travel, like, never be afraid to like share where you're from, because like, trust me, like when you come to places like these and you tell people like I'm from Jamaica, chances are they know it, because Jamaica is an exotic island. Like, nobody feel like say Jamaica bush or no bad man place or no stupid. It is an exotic island. You feel me? The mangoes, the bananas, the birds, all of those stuff that grow there, all those stuff that are indigenous to Jamaica, like, yo, you're living in luxury if you're living in Jamaica, trust me. So that's what I did. I told him I'm from Jamaica and we talked a little bit. And he, you know, he was kind enough to be on the video when I showed us, you know, leaving and stuff. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I don't know. But if I do, remember these 3 things, guys. Love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. Yo fam, my family just clowned me just now, yo. Look where I am. Damn crosswalk. Oh, thank you.